Hey YouTube, my name is Jonathan. For those that don't know me, I am the creator of The Microwave Show and the owner of this YouTube channel. Anyway, 3 quick things I wanted to tell you about today. Number 1, our favorite website we like to earn money from besides YouTube, Flix55.com, has gone into a permanent reconstruction phase. More info in the sidebar if you're interested. Kinda sucks because we got like 30% of our income from that website and it doesn't look like they're going to be coming back anytime soon. So to make up for that, point number 2 of today's video, I've set up a donation link on the main channel page. A bunch of people have asked me, how do I help the show? How do I support it? How can I help you and Jory out? Well, the easiest way for you to help is just to watch videos, because we get some money that way. But if you're looking, really want to go gung-ho about it, then go to the channel page. There's a little link. It says donate. Click that. Donate anything you want from 5 cents to $5 to $500, which would be great, by the way. Whatever the heck you want. If you don't, then keep on watching, and you're kind of supporting the show that way anyway. Third thing, bad news, no microwave video today, mostly because we haven't had a chance to film the season finale, and also because I'm graduating from college today. But we are going to film it later this week, and this Friday, stay tuned for the results. We're microwaving a battery. A 2-part episode including AA batteries and a rechargeable lithium polymer. That's coming soon on May 23rd. Until then, wish me luck on my graduation. I've been doing school for 18 years and I'm finally done. Hopefully I won't trip on the stage when I'm trying to get my diploma. That would suck.